morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. It's Sunday morning. Robert and I did our shopping yesterday. And things got moved around a little bit when it came to the menu. I was supposed to have yesterday off from cooking, but we went shopping yesterday and we found an item on sale that I'll be cooking today. So last night, Robin and I tag teamed chicken and avocado enchiladas with green sauce. We added a few things to the filling of the enchiladas, which I'll add to the recipe later because I added some like Roma tomatoes and a couple of little things. It was a very good meal. The photos really don't do it justice. It was fun. Robin, as you know, loves Mexican food. So I'm happy to prepare it for her. Yeah, yummy. The avocados were on sale. Yeah, so it worked out perfectly. Today, I'm doing double duty. I already had the first thing planned, which is a creme brulee cheesecake. Now, a little bit of history about me and cheesecake. This is not, by far, my first cheesecake. My ex-wife and I, actually she did, I was more of her assistant or sous chef, had a small cheesecake business that we ran out of our kitchen. It was her recipe. We sold them all over town, a couple of restaurants, blah blah blah. So, like I said, this is not my first cheesecake. As Robin would say, I could do this in my sleep, which I probably could. So I know a good cheesecake recipe when I see it. Yeah. So, and then for dinner, what was on sale at Greeley's and Bel Air was $5 ribs. Yes, pork ribs. So I said for fun, and Robin is actually, she just left a little bit ago. She's actually helping her brother out today. So I'm doing my oven barbecue ribs. This is the rib recipe I did a couple months ago that is like, we just fell in love with. And it's super simple. Yeah. So let's get to it. Sheet pan for the ribs. Springform pan for the cheesecake. And I'm breaking out some hardware today. I got the KitchenAid going. I'll be using the food processor for the graham cracker crust and the software. Cream cheese, sugar, sour cream, eggs, vanilla from Mexico for the crust, honey-made graham crackers, a little bit of sugar, and butter. Part of the creme brulee is going to be, and I always recommend, sugar in the raw if you're doing any kind of brulee, whether it's on a cheesecake or on a creme. Okay, for the ribs, there's these $5 ribs. Yeah, it's almost 3 pounds. This is where the fun is. For the rub, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, paprika, cayenne, kosher salt, black pepper. For the sauce, I use Nob Hill Original as a base with garlic, Worcestershire, Lea and Perrins only, minced onion, and there's garlic involved in both sides. So yeah, that's my Sunday. Now, part of Memorial Day weekend tradition for me is the Indy 500, which is on TV right now. It's the pre-race. And then there's a race in NASCAR. And one of my favorite drivers, Kyle Larson, he actually hails from Elk Grove, California, is racing both. It's the first time he's tried it. Good luck to Kyle. All right, on this Sunday, this super Sunday on Memorial Day weekend, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.